Hey guys, it's Anwen.
And I'm Alex.
And today we're really excited because we're planting strawberry planters in these brand new super awesome pots that are so versatile because they hang or they can just be on the ground and you can put them on your patio and it's great. So we're planting Rubian strawberries and these ones are fun because they grow like deep pink flowers instead of white flowers. And you also can get fruit off them in the first season off the runners.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What else? Oh, do you want to say the thing about the science and the energy?
I would love to say the thing about the science. Okay. So people often ask about like, where can I grow strawberries? Can I grow them in part shade, whatever, sun? And with all fruit-bearing plants, their berries, their fruit, will always be sweetest when they get the most sunlight because it takes a lot of energy to grow any type of fruit. So the more sun that hits those leaves, the sweeter the fruit will be. And during their fruiting season, it also helps a lot to give them extra water to fill out the berries and make them as amazing as they can be.
Yay! That was a really great blurb.
Thank you.
Okay, now we have kind of nothing else to say, so we're just gonna...
So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna plant
all
98
98
of those things. There's 100 of them.
And you're gonna watch us do it.
And you're gonna watch us do it in a really awesome little time lapse. So,
Yay. And that's all the little slots, and then it's gonna grow to be big and viney, and it's gonna be great. So many strawberries.
No, wait. Oh, I kicked the tripod. Yeah.
We're back. Okay.
We're back.
Hey, okay, so this is our last planter, so we're gonna put the hanger on it. And then these retail for $45. So I'm gonna lift this up, and Alex is gonna put the price tag on the bottom.
Yup.
Da-da-da-da-da.
Da-da-da-da-da. Whoop.
Woohoo.
Ta-da.
Oh,
High five.
yay.
Yeah.
100.
A lot.
And then we have to sticker them all because we actually only stickered the one. So I tipped you when I said we were done.
Yes, we have to sticker every single one and then tag every single hook.
And then we're gonna hang them up, and hopefully they become like a strawberry waterfall by the end of the season.
Like a big whoosh.
Bye guys.
Bye.
Cute little high five moment.
I wasn't even on
Nope.
frame. Let's do that again. Hang on, wait. Okay.
Okay. Wow, that was super, yeah.
Awesome. So
Woo.
yeah, we have a